Kaluga Tobacco Factory. Full-fledged producer of tobacco products with unique taste quality. KTF is a young brand, which the production facilities of the company occupy the area of more than 4,000 square meters and are located in the Kaluga city, Central Federal District of Russian Federation. The managing company of the office is located in Moscow. We follow the flexible pricing policy and produce the products for a wide range of tobacco smoking men. The produce of the factory is an ideal ratio of price and quality. We offer to our clients the quality products with all price categories, from economical to premium. We produce cigarettes with tobacco grown in USA, Brazil, India, China, Indonesia, Lebanon, Turkey, Bulgaria. The tobacco blends for our cigarettes have perfect slices and great combination of different blend, which provide quality preheating of tobacco and perfect taste, as well as smoke. The factory is equipped with close control and high-speed equipment produced by leading European brands. The support of high-technology equipment used by the factory is made through after-sales service contracts concluded with leading international production companies. Between them are Fokke and Hayani. Nano 7 cigarette making machine from Décuffly French department of Hayani company has the online cigarette physical value control system and excludes the cigarettes from the line which are not conform with desired values. Fokke 350 German packing machine makes packs of cigarettes. In-house physical and chemical laboratory is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment which meets all international standard requirements and enables to control the cigarette quality. Whole tobacco product range meets the requirements of CE Declaration of Conformity and characteristics of technical rules with tobacco products. People are one of the main resources of our company. Our company consists of a solid team of high-skilled professionals and like-minded people with great tobacco production experience. We follow simple rules to produce quality and natural products only, to comply with highest refinement of tastes, and to offer the best products as possible. There are more than 70 employees on the factory. With development of the production and increasing of production capacities, the technical staff of technologists and engineers is always growing. Our employees attend a refresher course on the site of our European business partners every year. Also, masterclasses are conducted regularly on the production territory of our factory. Kaluga Tobacco Factory has own design bureau, experienced in making of technological projects. Solid design team and experienced creators which produce unique products which have no analogue in market of our country and abroad. In few years our specialists made many projects which meet expectations and needs of clients. The company has developed a wide supply chain spreading on the different regions, including all regions of Russia from Kaliningrad to Vladivostok. On the territory of Russia, the suppliers, federal dealer networks and state customers. Since our company entered the federal market, the annual sales gain is 20,000 boxes of products. Kaluga Tobacco Factory regularly takes part in major international exhibitions held in Russia, Germany and Middle Eastern countries, and has annual Aluso Award. We are not going nowhere fast, but ever evolving. Nowadays, we have owned trademarks registered in 8 countries. For the year, the company is going to increase its commerce presence to 13 countries. Faithful to classical traditions, being we are always evolving and working on producing of new marks of cigarettes with unique character and unusual tastes.